Hey there, home cooks. If you've got a glass stove, you know choosing the right cookware is crucial. Not only do you want something that looks great and functions well, but also something that won't damage your sleek cooktop. Today, I'm breaking down the must-have cookware for glass stoves in 2024. First up, the stainless steel skillet. The made-in stainless-clad frying pan is a top pick for its durability and heat conduction. This bad boy has 5 layers of metal, making it perfect for getting a great sear without burning delicate veggies. Plus, its cool touch handle and lightweight build are a win-win. Next, for all you non-stick fans, check out the Caraway frying pan. This trendy pan boasts a slick, PTFE-free surface that's a dream for eggs and crepes. It's also oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and comes in several stylish hues. If you're starting from scratch, the Tramontina Tri-Ply clad 10-piece set is an excellent choice. It includes everything from a Dutch oven to frying pans and saucepans. With its Tri-Ply construction, this set heats evenly and quickly, making it perfect for any glass stovetop. For those who prefer a non-stick set, the Caraway non-stick ceramic cookware set is a fantastic option. This 12-piece set includes all the essentials and even comes with a handy lid holder and pan organizer. The smooth ceramic coating ensures your glass stove stays scratch-free. Now let's talk about a wok. The Yosukata carbon steel wok is a game-changer for stir-fries and sautés. Its flat bottom is ideal for glass stoves, and the stay-cool wooden handle is a nice touch. For the egg lovers, the Zwilling deep fry pan is a must-have. This 8-inch non-stick pan is perfect for morning omelets and fried eggs. Its granite coating ensures nothing sticks, making cleanup a breeze. Big soup or pasta fan? The All-Clad D3 stainless steel 12-quart covered stock pot is your go-to. With its tri-ply construction, it heats up fast and evenly, perfect for large batches of chili or stock. For a versatile option, the Mauviel 1830 M Steel 12.5-inch fry pan is a gem. This pan heats up quickly and evenly, making it perfect for everything from chicken breasts to crepes. Just a heads up, it requires a bit of maintenance, but it's worth it. If you're tight on space, the Our Place Home Cook Duo is a lifesaver. These two pans can replace up to 18 pieces of traditional cookware. With their non-toxic, non-stick coating and lightweight build, they're perfect for any recipe. For precise tasks, the Tramontina covered saucepan is ideal. This 4-quart pan heats evenly and comes with a lid to prevent splatters. The helper handle makes it super easy to maneuver. Finally, the Caraway non-stick ceramic sauté pan is a must-have. Its generous size and effective non-stick surface make it perfect for family-sized meals. Plus, the included lid has a steam hole to reduce moisture. So there you have it. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these cookware options will keep your glass stove looking pristine and your meals delicious. Happy cooking!